Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to change aspect ratio on AOC monitor. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first of all, press the image ratio button on your monitor to open the OST menu. Okay, after pressing the find the image ratio option within the OST menu using the monitor navigation button. Select your preferred aspect ratio like 16:9 or 4 into 3 4 ratio 3 from the option available based on your content and preference. Okay, and after that, selecting the aspect ratio, follow the on screen instruction to save changes which may require confirmation selection by pressing the specific button. Okay, so this is the four step you can use to change the aspect ratio on your AOC monitor. Okay, so this is the first step. Thanks guys.